Hey there, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about unity consciousness and how it's going to help you manifest your dreams. You know, when it comes to manifesting, a lot of people tend to make the same mistake. Even though deep down they understand that it's not just about the law of attraction, but also the law of assumption. They still believe that they attract things from outside of themselves. But here's the thing, holding on to that belief can actually work against you. In fact, the more you try to force things to come to you from out there, the more they slip away. That's why so many people struggle to change their lives using the law of attraction. The truth is, we don't change people or things directly. We change ourselves from within, and then the people and things in our lives, which are actually just reflections of us, align with our inner transformation. Well, I'm sure logically you say to yourself now, well, I'm already know that, but let me go just a little deeper. You are the universe. The universe is you. This is really important for you to understand. You are the universe. The universe is you. And if you try to attract something into your life that is outside of yourself, you will never succeed because you are the world. And once you define the thing that you want as outside of your world, then you make it impossible for you to have it by law. Understand that you attract what you are, not what you want. And if you are in a separation consciousness, meaning you accept that the thing that you want is not you and outside of you, then you will not attract it. Never. This is why you need to understand that what you want is already inside of you. So the solution is to change the perception and consciousness from separation to unity and oneness. And then there is no need to try anymore because it is already within, because you are your universe. Unity consciousness is a transformative state of awareness that recognizes that interconnectedness and oneness of all beings, transcending the illusion of separation. It fosters deep compassion, empathy, and love, embracing the unity of all polarities. By cultivating unity consciousness, we contribute to a more compassionate and sustainable world, overcoming the sense of being separate or separated from others. Unity consciousness is essential for manifestation. It reminds us that we are interconnected and not separate from what we desire. By aligning with the highest good, embodying our intentions, and surrendering to divine timing, we enhance the manifestation process. Now, let's talk about the illusion of free will. Some teachers still believe that people have complete free will. They think that if people didn't have free will, they wouldn't be autonomous individuals with their own thoughts, feelings, and choices. But that's not what it means when I say people don't have free will. It doesn't mean that they're mindless robots or that they lack control over their lives. It simply means that in your reality, people can't help but act accordingly to your expectations, beliefs, and assumptions. No matter what they personally believe or desire, it will be their default response to you. You see, there are multiple versions of each person, and the version you experience depends on the state you're in. Let me give you an example. Is someone always stuck in a state where he feels like a loser, abandoned, and betrayed by others? During this time, he will consistently attract people who betray and abandon him. But here's the key: those people didn't have free will in his reality. The same principle applies to yourself. Your free will ends in the state you're dwelling in. If you're in a victimhood state, you won't be able to take action or manifest circumstances that lead to success. It's not because success is impossible for you, but rather because success doesn't exist in the state of victimhood. However, the moment you decide to shift into a state where success is possible, you'll naturally take inspired action and attract people and circumstances that contribute to your success. So, as long as you remain in a state of separation, wanting, lacking, and desperation, you will manifest what you want moving further away from you. Not because you don't deserve it, or if it's people because they want to go away from you, or any interpretation that you give it, but because by law they have, or the things it have to reflect your state. People's free will begins and ends with you. People that are in your life won't mirror what you want, but rather what you are. That's why Neville Goddard emphasized that there is no one to change but yourself. Once you shift from lack to love, people will love you instead of running away from you. And the same goes for money, houses, cars, success, health, everything. You are it. It is not outside of you. If you think that it is outside of you, you cannot have it. Okay, so finally I want to talk about a really important thing, which is faith. It is the biggest challenge for the manifesting community because it's easier to have faith in what we can see rather than what we can't. But remember, we walk by faith, not by sight. When we were born, we agreed to forget who we truly are, and for many, that memory may never resurface in this lifetime. However, if we stumbled upon the love assumption and Neville Goddard's teachings, and they resonate with us, it's a sign that we are ready for this incredible awakening. So have faith that your desired version of what you want is already exists, because all possibilities are already here and now. The 3D reality is like an infinite film roll with every frame that has ever existed or will exist. If you're currently in a frame where your desired version of your what you want doesn't exist, that's why you can't see it. But the moment you step into the frame where it does exist, you will be able to see it. You just have to choose it and step into it. So, what it actually requires is faith in your imagination rather than solely relying on what you see in the 3D world. So, remember that you have the power to manifest and create the reality that you desire. Trust yourself, trust in the process, and have faith that your desired version of your life is already within your reach. And again, I really want to say it again. You are the universe, and the universe is you. This is a really great affirmation to say to yourself every day. And that's it. Comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you think. Like this video if you liked it, and subscribe. Bye bye.